मार्केट तो डूब गई।
क्यों, अब कौन सी सुनामी आ गई या कौन सा फ्लाईओवर टूट गए?
फ्लाईओवर नहीं टूटे,
तो फिर भूकंप कहाँ आ गया? क्या
ऐसा
कंप्लीट
कुछ
वस्तु
नहीं
टूट
हुआ,
गई?
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ। गुड़गांव में घर ढूंढ रही थी 3 CR में, कुछ भी अफोर्डेबल नहीं है। इन बिल्डर्स ने इतनी हाइप कर रखी है, इतना इन्फ्लेट कर रखे हैं यहाँ के प्राइसेस कि नथिंग इज अफोर्डेबल।
इन्फ्लेशन कैसे भाई? जहाँ पर आपकी डिमांड एंड सप्लाई का सिंपल रूल है, जहाँ डिमांड होगी वहाँ प्राइस थोड़ा बढ़ेगा ही, उसमें कहाँ गलत है?
बट हम जैसी आम जनता कहाँ जाए? 3 CR जिनका बजट हो, कैसे घर पाए?
चलो 3 CR हमने पहले चैलेंज किया था ना 2 CR का, मैंने आपको
Right,
ऑप्शंस दी थी। तब हमने डिस्कस किया था कि एरिया वाइज 2 CR में कहाँ कहाँ प्रॉपर्टीज है, लाइक SPR, एक्सप्रेसवे, साउथ गुड़गांव। आज मैं ना आपका चैलेंज एक नए तरीके से सेट करता हूँ। नेम द बिल्डर इन गुड़गांव, आई विल गिव यू द प्रॉपर्टी इन 3 CR पैकेट, एनी बिल्डर।
So we are playing the 3 crore challenge then?
Yeah, for sure, accepted challenge. Thank you.
Thank you. But we want to play this game with a little bit of Bollywood tadka. Are you ready for it?
100%, बॉलीवुड तो मेरा फेवरेट है।
So the game goes like this. I will mention the name of a celebrity. You will tell me which builders is similar to that celebrity, and then tell me the name of projects in 3 CR.
Sure.
And I'll take all the big names. So be ready for it.
I'll tell you all the big brands of Gurgaon.
Okay. So the first one is our very own Akshay Kumar. सबका favorite, सबके लिए affordable. So guess the builder.
I think Signature Global.
Name the 3 crore properties.
Their latest Sarvam at Dwarka Expressway. I think the best value proposition with wellness facilities. First time in India. Must visit project. And you have to invest only 30 lakhs in that project. Rest 36 months, there is no EMI.
Oh,
Must
wow.
visit.
That sounds interesting. Okay, now the tricky one. Who is the Vicky Kaushal, the hidden gem of Gurgaon? Which builder?
Vicky Kaushal, I think there is a builder called Adore.
Right.
DLF 6 में इनकी एक शानदार लोकेशन है, हयात इंटरनेशनल होटल के बिल्कुल सामने।
Okay.
They are offering 3 BHK in 3 CR, 4 BHK on 4 CR. और सैंपल देख के ना प्यार हो जाएगा। And
Bollywood
one more thing,
Bollywood के
payment
साथ
plan
ना हो
is
ऐसा हो भी नहीं सकता।
one more thing, payment plan is 40-60. You have to pay 40% now, 60% on possession.
विकी कौशल के प्यार को तो कैटरीना भी मना नहीं कर पाई, अडोर के प्यार को हम कैसे मना कर
That's
सकते
why
हैं?
they are the hidden gem.
Okay, now the next one.
Okay.
Which builder is the Ranbir Kapoor, the national crush of India?
I think national crush तो national builder होना चाहिए Godrej. इनका एक प्रोडक्ट है नेचर प्लस, ऑलमोस्ट रेडी टू मूव है। थोड़ा सा इश्यूज आए थे जैसे रणवीर की लाइफ में भी आए थे, बट नाउ एवरीथिंग इज सॉर्टेड, दे आर फैमिली मैन नाउ। तो नेचर प्लस कैन बी योर कॉल। ओन अरावली, मुंबई एक्सप्रेसवे, शानदार कनेक्टिविटी, वंडरफुल प्रोजेक्ट।
Okay, and which builder believes in living Nawab style, just like Saif Ali Khan?
I think a builder called BPTP. They are offering good product right now. काफी लंबा कैरियर है उनका भी सैफ अली खान के जैसे। इनका एक प्रोडक्ट आ रहा है सेक्टर 102 द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे पर, एंस्टोरिया ग्रीन। You must visit that project before finalizing anything.
Very nice. Now time for some rising stars. What about Kartik Aaryan and Varun Dhawan? Which builders can compete with them?
Varun Dhawan and Kartik Aaryan are now exploring, blooming. So 2 builders are there. One is Conscient and second is Ashiana. Both are at sector 80. Wonderful proposition, wonderful projects. One is kid-centric approach and second one is environmental friendly. I think in the bracket of 3 CR, both projects are very nice, very good payment plan, must visit.
For sure. Let me think. Now, who can compete with Mr. Perfectionist, Amir Khan, in terms of real estate?
Amir Khan is Amir Khan. I think Central Park can do collab with Amir Khan because they are also perfectionists. One property, Flower Valley, Central Park, Ecofront Tower, ready to move, high-rise apartment. You will get very good deals in 3 CR bracket for 3 BHK. So I think if you are looking for very good proposition, ready to move, you must vouch for Central Park, Ecofront Tower.
With perfect amenities.
Like Amir Khan.
The next one. Which builder is like full Bollywood with swag entry and full Bollywood style like Salman Khan?
Who else than M3M? Swag wala builder, but wonderful proposition. Starts from 2 CR, goes up to 20 CR, 25 CR, 30 CR. But very good proposition in 3 CR. You can go for the product like Golf Hills
Okay.
and Talia Hills
Which sector are these in?
on the SPR Road, 77 sector. And wonderful proposition, they are coming with a little upgraded version at Dwarka Expressway also. They have very, very good products on down the line.
Manish, you've played very well so far, but
Thank
now
you.
it's time for you to lose because I am bringing up my trump card.
Okay.
So, who is the unmatchable, the OG, the Big B, Amitabh
Oh.
Bachchan of Gurgaon Real Estate? I am sure you can get nothing in CCR.
A very simple answer. DLF, who else?
Yes, but you can't get anything in 3CR.
3 properties, ready to move, high rise, DLF Regal Garden, DLF Sky Court, DLF New Town Heights.
Wow.
और इसके अलावा if you like floor living, they have multiple options in 2.5 CR starts and up to 3.5 CR at DLF Garden City. You can go for that. And all are ready to move.
Wow. That is truly unbelievable. मार्केट तो डूब गई.
क्यों, क्या हुआ अब? बताओ क्या करना है?
ये आपकी कॉफी है, पहले तो वो मेरी चाय दे दो.
मेरे को तो पता ही नहीं.
इनका बनाना वॉलनट बहुत सही लग रहा है भैया.
आओ
चाय भी बहुत अच्छी बनाई है.
एंजॉय. चीयर्स. शुभ लाभ.
शुभ लाभ.